Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India has unveiled the all-new modern classic motorcycle called the Honda Highness CB350. The retro-style bike will be positioned as a premium offering and will be sold through Honda's Big Wing dealership network in India. The Honda Highness CB350 borrows design cues from the yesteryear CV motorcycles and will take on the likes of the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Benelli Imperiale 400, Java motorcycles and the upcoming Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The CB350 is the first global model from Honda India and will be exported to a number of markets in the future. The bike is powered by a 350cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine with 20.8 brake horsepower and 30 Nm of peak torque. It will come with Honda selectable torque control, Bluetooth connectivity, LED headlamp, dual-channel ABS and lots more. The new Honda CB350 will be priced around 1,90,000 rupees ex-showroom, with sales to begin from mid-October this year. Bookings are now open.
Chiseled with high-level craftsmanship, Highness CB350 is exclusively designed to give an ultimate pride of ownership. 5 new segment-first features like Honda selectable torque control, Honda smartphone voice control system, assist and slipper clutch, advanced digital analog meter, all-around LED setup. All of these radiate the majesty of Highness. And this is not all. Be ready for another thump of surprise in future.
BMW India will be introducing the all-new 2 Series Grand Coupe in the country on the 15th of October 2020. The all-new 2 Series Grand Coupe is based on the entry-level 2 Series sedan but takes design cues from the larger 8 Series Grand Coupe in the brand's lineup. The 4-door coupe will be BMW's new entry-level offering in India and the second model from the 2 Series family after the BMW M2 competition. The new 2 Series Grand Coupe gets a coupe roofline as a 4-door sedan, while the cabin is loaded with features from larger BMW offerings. The model is expected to debut with 2-litre turbocharged petrol and diesel engines that will send power to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. Prices for the new 4-door coupe are expected to start from 34 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The first Mahindra Thar has been auctioned at a winning bid of 1 crore 11 lakh rupees. Delhi-based Akash Minda won the bid for the first Thar to roll out for mass production. The auction process saw over 5,400 registered individuals and the bidding started at a reserve price of 25 lakh rupees with the bid multiplying by 25,000 rupees each time. The very first day of the auction process saw the reserve price increase up to 80 lakh rupees for the Thar number 1 and further increase to 92.5 lakh rupees over the next 5 days. On the final day, the bidding amount crossed the 1 crore mark with just 3 hours left for the bidding window to shut at 6 p.m. with Minda eventually bagging the first Thar to be produced. Mahindra & Mahindra will be matching the highest bidding amount and the total sum will be donated to several foundations engaged in the COVID-19 relief work. Prices for the new Mahindra Thar will be announced on the 2nd of October 2020.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.